The recent market turmoil that we have seen is unrivaled in a number of ways. We saw, for example, equities sell off more than 11%, which is multiple standard deviations move. But at that time, when treasuries is historically supposed to rally as well as the dollar, they also sold off. These are unrivaled times. Now, during these types of unprecedented turmoil, clients rely on a company like State Street for a number of reasons. One, we have dealt and seen these types of crises in the past. We are a company with more than 2 centuries of experience through different types of crises. So we can help clients deal with them because we have seen them before. There's a strong institutional memory that we have. Second, we actually have a front-to-back architecture where we can see these turmoil manifest themselves in shocks in different parts of the ecosystem. It can actually spill over to other parts of the ecosystem, and we see the whole picture in our front-to-back architecture and what we do with our clients. So we can help them with dealing with these types of clients. So how can we help them? We can help them with strong analytics. We have $46 trillion of custody assets. We are seeing not just a particular client, but we're seeing where the $46 trillion of custody assets as expressing they're dealing with these types of turmoil, so we can help clients with those types of analytics. And finally, to be an important partner for them to express their risk views given this turmoil, either through an asset management move or through a risk move. We can help them partner along the way because we have services for all of these across the entire ecosystem. And we are a company with a very, very strong balance sheet and strong regulatory capital ratios. So we are a trusted partner with a strong balance sheet, excellent analytics, strong institutional memory, and also with tools to help them deal with these crises, either on the asset management side or on the risk side or on the FX side. We can help them along the entire ecosystem in dealing with these types of crises. One of the key value propositions that we offer in State Street is the long history of robust academic partnerships that we have developed, which is absolutely unique in the system. We provide differentiated academic insights in a partnership form through papers and reports and meetings that we offer with our academic partners. And through these partners, we have developed a number of unique insights. Let me offer two of them. One is price stats. Price stats is the ability to monitor inflationary impulses across a number of products and services globally that we have developed in a unique way through our academic partnerships. Now, price stats particularly is relied upon not only by our clients, but also by regulators and monetary authorities across the globe. So that's an example of something that's unique. The second that we have seen particularly in these turbulent times is that the markets are driven a lot by sentiment. And we see, for example, tweets and posts that we see in social media drive large portions of capital across different parts of the ecosystem. Now, we are able to monitor that through something called media stats, which is looking at sentiment by gauging what is happening in the media and how much that in turn impact markets. As a result of what has happened through deglobalization, decarbonization, the surging debt that we have, it has resulted in thoughts about how structurally the global financial economic world can be changing. So there is a lot of discussion with our clients with respect to how structurally asset allocation should be rethought. For example, can fixed income continue to provide the diversification benefits for equities that it has done for the last 4 decades? Can that continue or not? There is a question as to whether that can actually continue, because for the last 2.5 years, it's had a very tough time in providing the diversification. So FX has been a very effective way to provide that type of diversification benefit. Finally, gold. On the asset management arm, GLD is our ETF. It's the biggest ETF that we have in gold, and gold has proven to be an excellent diversifier in some of the situations. So, given that we have the entire front to back ecosystem, we have an asset management arm, we have the middle office, we have the risk systems, and we have the back office, the custody, and so forth. So, we absolutely can help them in dealing with both nimble opportunities in a tactical way, as well as think about this in a structural way as the world evolves amidst these megatrends that we have been seeing in the last few years.